آج اس مقابلہ حسن تقریر کے آخری شریک مقابل ہیں سید ہارون جلال شاہ صاحب. بھی اسٹیج پر تشریف لاتے ہیں آخری شریک مقابل سید ہارون جلال شاہ صاحب.
In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful to all the judges, the dear representatives and the dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am extremely happy to be participating in the speech contest titled The Role of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu in the spirituality of the state of Medina. I am grateful to Islamic Student Federation for organizing such a momentous event. I would like to give a brief overview of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Who is Siddiq? He is the first man to embrace Islam. Who is Siddiq? He is the first to accept Islam. Who is Siddiq Akbar? He was the first caliph of Muslims. Who is Siddiq Akbar? He is the first preacher of Muslims. Who is Siddiq Akbar? He is the first to build a mosque in Islam. Who is Siddiq Akbar? He was the only one amongst the companions whose 4 generations accepted Islam, and all were the companions of the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear audience, he accompanied the Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam during the cave, during the immigration night, during all the battles of his life. Dear audience, he purchased many Muslim slaves, including Hazrat Bilal radhiyallahu anhu, and freed each and every one of them. Half of Ashra Mubashra accepted Islam on his invitation. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu participated in every ghazwat, in all the ghazwat, for the strong defense and stability of the state of Medina. Dear audience, during Sulh Hudaybiyah, many companions were unsatisfied. They were distressed by the clauses of this treaty. But it was Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq who was calm and relaxed, because he knew that these decisions would ultimately have long-time positive impacts on the state of Medina. And it happened so in the form of the conquest of Makkah. Dear audience, after the succession of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu, trouble arose. Many Arab tribes refused to pay zakat. They threatened the unity of the state. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu refused to show lenience towards them. Many companions of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to him and said that, "Oh Abu Bakr, you should show politely, you should show lenience to these people, you should treat them with politeness." Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu said that if giving lenience to these people would ultimately destabilize the state of Medina, then I would treat them with iron hand. I would deal with them with iron hand. And in the end, finally, they end up giving zakat. Dear audience, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu participated during the Ghazwa Tabuk. He gave all the money he had just for the support of the state of Medina. Moreover, during the time of the death of the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Ansar and Muhajirin Sahaba gathered at Saqifa Banu Sa'ida. They were thinking about a stable way to govern the state of Medina. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu said that there should be one caliph of both sides. But Ansar said that there should be a caliph from both sides, one from their side and one from the Muhajirin. This was utterly against the spirit of Islam and could ruin the unity of Muslims. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu stood up, and his wisdom saved the day, and by saving the day he saved the Ummah and kept the state of the Medina united. Additionally, during the final weeks of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he ordered an expedition into Syria, which was led by Hazrat Usama bin Ziyad radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. He was inexperienced and young. But many great companions of the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam who was much more experienced were placed under him, including Hazrat Abu Ubaidah bin al-Jarrah and Hazrat Sa'd bin Abi Waqqas radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. When the expedition was dispatched and the news of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's death was received, forcing the army to return to Medina, many companions said that there is no need to launch this campaign right now. This should be stopped. But Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu said that this campaign should go on under the leadership of Hazrat Usama radhiyallahu anhu, which ultimately led to its success. Finally, during the short tenure of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq as a Caliph of Muslims, some parts of Syria and some parts of Iraq were conquered, showing that Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq played a vital role in the stability of the state of Medina. Thank you.